Oliver, you all have been developing apps for a while now, both in Europe and now using NextGen TV in the US. What are some of the other applications that you all have developed, and how does this application compare?
Yeah, I think that from 2018, when we started on NextGen TV, we can already recognize an evolution of the appetite for innovative applications, moving nowadays from a pure entertainment to more infotainment and up to new services for the citizens. In a nutshell, we started from discovering the value of application initially for entertainment. In collaboration with NAB, we developed the first ATSC3 app in 2019, but then exploring new monetization models. For example, the cooking app we built for CBS Saturday morning segment, The Dish, was introducing click and buy commerce functionality on TV. Then we moved to sport gamification, where with the NextGen broadcaster in Boston, we experimented contest and betting, and the new social dimension was introduced to reinforce the sport live experience, in particular in a COVID era, where we are playing with empty stadium. And now news, the news script, the new Scripps news literacy app we presented today is aiming at educating the audience about fake news identification. So it's more and more a service for the citizen. But more is to come. So for example, applications in education such as e-learning apps enabling remote schooling based on the datacast capability of ATSC3 to connect people where internet connectivity is not available, or advanced emergency alerting system, weather forecast alert, and enhanced accessibility for the hearing impaired. There are a number, really a bright future of brand new applications for NextGen TV to come.